Okay, today we will see what you call some introduction to command prompt. I'll make it a small video, and perhaps I can make 2 or 3 videos to get you know about command prompt to little bit of a level where you can use it in your day-to-day life. To go to command prompt, you go to search bar and type CMD. It will show you command prompt. You can simply click on it, or then you go to command prompt, or pressing Windows key plus R will open this run command prompt. You type CMD and press enter, you will get to command prompt. Now, to really understand command prompt, I will also open a file explorer of Windows and keep it side by side so you can understand what command prompt is. I'm sure a lot of you guys know about it, but if you don't know, go through the videos on my channel. I'm sure it will be benefit to you in long run. So here I am in File Explorer. I go to this PC, C drive, double click on C drive, and I see the list of folders which are in C drive. Similarly, if you go to command prompt, you can type cd / enter. You are in command prompt root directory, which is C drive, and then you click or type dir, and you see the list of files as you can see in Explorer also, and they are same files. Now, to give you a demonstration of command prompt, I click here, I type md, that's make directory space, and temp. It gives, see here, the folder is created. By the way, in Windows Explorer it is called folder, and in Windows command prompt it's called directory. So we made a directory called temp. I'm gonna rename it by typing RENTEMP001. So temp to temp 001, and it goes here. See, the file name is changed. Now similarly, let's go back to command prompt, and I'm going to remove this directory. I will say RD for remove directory space and TEMP temp001. Remove directory. Okay, that's not temp, that's called demo. I have wrongly spelled it. So remove directory TEMO001, and there you see, it's gone. That's what the power of what you call command prompt. I'll stop here, and we'll come back with later with some other commands which you can use in command prompt.